Okay, guys, welcome to your first video for your async music course. This is going to be, all these videos are going to be short videos, 5 minutes or less, and it will introduce you to the concept in a nutshell. If you need to go back and play the video again to try to understand it more, feel free to do that. And then after that, if you still have questions, you can ask me, okay? So the first thing we're going to be thinking about this semester is rhythm. We'll be looking at 7 elements, 7 building blocks of music, and rhythm is going to be the first one. So if you take a look at the screen, it says rhythm is the most basic building block of music. Different types of musical notes, and I'm reading right here, different types of musical notes should be determine how long or short a sound is. Then those notes are organized into a rhythm pattern. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. All right, we have a type of note that just looks like a circle. It looks like an O or a donut or a rock or an eyeball or whatever you want to think of it as. It's just one circle. And this is called a whole note. Okay, so as you can see, a whole note gets 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I snap my fingers like this, and I counted to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, a whole note would be one sound that is held out for 4 beats. So if I sing the note la, I could go la, and me holding that note la for 4 beats means that it was a whole note. Okay, so when we write out a count for a whole note, it would look like this, like you see on your screen: 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4. And those dashes in between of the numbers are really important. Those dashes mean that the sound is a continuous sound and it doesn't stop. Okay, say I was singing the word loo. Loo. 4 beats, the sound did not stop. Okay, so on the board you see that we have 4 whole notes. Okay, if I were to sing 4 whole notes on loo, it would look something, it would sound something like this: loo, 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 loo. All right, what did I just do? I just sang 4 whole notes. Okay, so here's what you need to know. You need to know that these are called whole notes. You need to know what they look like, just a circle. You need to know how to write out the counts: 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4. You need to know that a whole note signifies a single sound that is held out for 4 beats. And one last thing you need to know is that rhythm notes are separated by these lines that go straight down, and they are called bar lines. As you can see, I've written those words there, bar lines. So whole notes take up the whole measure, the whole part, before a bar line comes down. All right, and then the next whole note takes up the whole section. That's how you can remember. It takes up the whole section. Nothing else can fit inside that section except for the whole note. Okay? Watch this video again if you need to. Otherwise, continue on in the lesson to the questions.